Okay, still in the backyard, and down the stairs here. This had some metal railing which we had taken out. It was all rotting. And this was completely cleared out. It was all full of juniper. And then you can get a little better view of the rest of the property. This was all cleared out. It had to be all cleared out by hand, because it's a pretty steep slope. We're heading down to the first sitting area. This area was another rose garden. It had a fence, a wrought iron fence, which we had taken down, and it had to be kind of bulldozed for the septic to be put in. Couple of vines here, old vines. And this is by the bedroom area, and there's the still fenced in rose garden area with the old roses, which are blooming. We'll head down to the first sitting area. Set up a couple of chairs here. This is a great spot to sit and watch the downtown. This is all old lava rock. Completely surrounds and that is the old blue oak that we had cleaned up. A couple of old manzanitas, they're about 100 years old. We're going to have a fire pit put in here, and the concrete's going to be replaced by gravel, so it doesn't choke the two old oaks that are sitting here. And there's some construction going on downtown, so you can probably hear that. Actually, I think it's the garbage truck.